Hello. Today we're going to learn about how plants and animals are both similar and different. Even though they might seem very different, they have some things very much in common. We'll explore the parts of the plants and animals and see how they help them live in their own special ways. Let's start with plants. We know that plants have parts like roots, stems, and leaves. These parts help them make their own food and grow. Roots anchor the plant and take in water and nutrients. Stems support the plant and serve as a travel pathway for some of the water and nutrients. Leaves make food using sunlight. And some plants have flowers to make seeds for new plants. Now, let's look at animals. Animals have parts like bodies, heads, legs, and fins, and some even have tails. These parts help them move around, find food, and sense the world. Animals have skeletons to support their bodies. Some animals have internal skeletons like people. Others have external skeletons like some bugs. Animals have muscles to help them move. They have brains to think and eyes to see. Plants and animals are very different, though, in some ways. Here are a few key differences. Plants make their own food using sunlight in a process called photosynthesis, while animals have to eat plants or other animals for their food. Most animals can move around easily, while plants stay mostly in one place. Plants can often keep growing throughout their entire lives. Animals usually stop growing when they reach adulthood. Plants have cell walls that provide an exterior surface for protection, while animals have skin, fur, scales, or feathers. Even though they're different, plants and animals also have some other similarities. Here are a few. Both plants and animals are living things. This means they both need food or energy, water, and air to survive. Both plants and animals are made up of tiny building blocks called cells. Plants and animals can both reproduce and make more of their own kind. Most plants use seeds. Animals have babies or lay eggs. Both plants and animals need water to survive. Here's some more similarities. Plants get their energy from the sun. Animals get energy from food. However, they both need energy for survival. Both grow and develop. Plants mostly start as seeds. Animals are born or hatched from eggs. Both plants and animals respond to their environment. Plants grow towards sunlight. Animals might run away from danger. So why are plants and animals important? Well, plants give us oxygen to breathe and food to eat. They also provide homes for many animals. Animals help pollinate plants like bees, and some animals are also food for other animals. We need both plants and animals to have a healthy planet. So plants and animals are both amazing in their own ways. They have different structures and ways of living, but they also share some important similarities. Thank you for watching.